What's up, everyone? Today, we got a new update in Mon Tycoon. So let's go to the video. If you do love this video, remember to subscribe, turn notifications so you won't miss any video. Alright, let's get to the video. And it's might be fun. Wait. Okay. When did you hear that again? Hmm? Spend two? Oh, that's okay. Hmm. Okay. It goes. Well, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so it took me a while to like get this because everything is so cheap. Like it's not really expensive, and it was so hard to get it. Well, at least it's 2.1 million. I thought it was like we should get 2.1 million over there, but you need to like spend it on. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Well, we can collect all. But I want to do another one. Um, we're gonna do it for that. Oh. So I hope you guys loved that video. And that was a very fun video. If you do like this, then remember to subscribe and turn notifications so you won't miss any video upload. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Hola!